Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to solve union of sets by writing a program in Python. So we are going to solve it through three methods. First is the add method. The second one method is the built-in function of union, and the third method is the pipe operator. So let's start writing the code. First of all, we will write a function of union of sets method 1. It will be the name of the function. Union of sets method name, and each word will be separated from underscore because this is the method how we define a function, how we name a function. And we are taking two parameters inside a function, set1 and set2. And in that we are initializing an empty set in which we will later on add elements from set1 and set2. Now we will iterate each element from set1 for element in set1. Union set dot add, and in the bracket we will write element because we are going to add each and every element from the set 1 into the union set. After that, we are going to iterate through set number 2, and again we are going to add each and every element of it in union set. In the last we will return the union set. Now the second method will be union of sets method 2. And the parameters will be same, unit set1 and set2. Then we will write set1 dot union set2. After that, we are going to return union set. This is the built-in function in Python. Then we will solve it through pipe operator. So it will be method 3. Again, we will take two parameters, set1 and set2. Union set is equals to set1. This is the pipe operator symbol. And then set2. Then again we will return union set. Here I will write some sets. Set A will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And the set B will be, you can write any type of set, any set you can write over here. So I'm going to write set B will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now I'm going to print, and I'm going to use F string to also write the string and the answer of the method which I have written earlier in my code. So I'm going to take union of sets method 1 and put the two parameters, put the two sets which I have defined, set A and set B, in the method number 1 of A union B. Now for the second method, I'm going to use another set C, I'm naming it. And in set C, I will put the elements 5, 3, 8 and 9. And in set D, I will put the elements 9, 7, 4 and 2. Then I'm going to print it using the method number 2. So method 2 of A union B will be union of sets method 2, and in that I will put set C and set D as parameters. Then we are going to initialize set E for our method number 3. So in set E, I'm going to take 16 as a number and 7 as a number, and then A as a string and B as a string, so that you can see that numbers and strings both we can use in the sets. So set F is equals to, we are having the elements 19 and 16 again, to see that whether it will come one time or two times. So again B I have taken, and D element, unique element of set F. Then I'm going to use method number 3 of A union B, and again using the F string. So union of sets method 3, in that I will put the parameters set E and set F. Then I'm going to print it. I'm going to run my code. So I have got method 1, method 2 and method 3. I'm going to show you that we are having these elements, and only unique elements from each set are getting printed, and the common elements are not going to print again. Then we are shifting to set C and set D. So here is the element 2 we are having, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. Again, those are the unique elements. Then I'm telling you the set E and F, which has numbers in both the strings. So first of all, B is printed 7, 16, D 19 and A. So I hope you understand.
Like, share and comment and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.